Today, at this village, Kolavale, we are arranging a financial literacy camp. To arrange the financial literacy camp, it is an instruction from Department of Financial Services, Government of India, New Delhi. Accordingly, we have here arranged a financial literacy camp with collaboration to Reserve Bank of India, NABARD, and our financial literacy center located at Panji by the lead bank, and with the help of Staff Training Center, State Bank of India, Patto Panji, we are arranging here a literacy camp in which all the products of the government, social security schemes, Mudra loan, startup, the information about these all new schemes will be provided to general public in this area. It is arranged on the request made by the MLA of this theme constituency, Mr. Kiran Kandolkar, who requested and instructed us to hold this program, as the people from this constituency are not aware fully about the schemes which are implemented and being implemented by the government. So this program is today arranged. All the new schemes as well as bank schemes, NABARD schemes, self-help group, startup, all schemes, literature is provided here. All the experts from our training center will deliver information to the public in this area during this financial literacy program.